A very good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are here in Hubli at Valvx 2026. We have with us Mr. Shivananda Awati, President Karnataka Valve Manufacturer Association. It's good to meet you, Shivanandji. Before we start and talk about Valvex and other, can you let us know more about your association? What does your association do?
We have started this association in the year 2021. That was just to grow the business of walls and pumps in Hubli. In that respect, it is not only Hubli, it entire Karnataka, that to grow the business of that. This business is not a general business.
Correct.
It is specific in the sense everybody, any Tom, Dick, and Harry cannot start walls.
Correct.
It needs a thorough knowledge, study of standards, and study experience. A lot of things are required to enter into manufacturing.
Correct.
And without an history, people don't accept that wall product. You can't launch the product in the market.
Correct.
Because launching the wall product in the market is something like who will accept that?
Correct.
Accept him because he has to take risk. Because any disaster leads to so much of catastrophic failures.
Correct.
And loss of life, loss of asset, so many things. That's why people don't risk.
Correct.
They take only those which are approved, who have got a history, and history you cannot make it unless you start manufacturing it.
Correct.
That is something like that.
Correct.
That's why what we all do it, make a product, keep on validation testing, do design testing, design validation, product validation, service validation, all types of testing we do. Then we witness that through a third party. Third party who will witness that.
Correct.
Then they will say that this product passes the standard test. Those standard tests are always American standards, British standards, German standards, and European standards.
Yes.
Those standards, we manufacture products and test the product to that standard and get it qualified.
Oh.
Once it is qualified, we can take risk. I also can take risk, he also can take risk.
Correct.
Because it is qualified.
Qualified.
The third party has approved it. And that is when people may begin.
Correct.
That beginning is required.
Correct.
Once it begins, he has to prove that his product will put in the, with some risk, he'll put in the line. Then they'll study the life and whatever troubles and all. He has to study that and he has to take the corrections, modify, review, and again relaunch. Or keeps on doing it. Then he becomes a manufacturer.
Correct. So
that's a journey. It is manufacturing, but in walls and pump, it is a journey.
It's a
Not
journey.
just start. No.
okay.
Yeah.
And sir, yesterday night, today this is my first Valvex which I am attending. Yesterday I was at your inauguration. I love the josh of the people, all the people who have gathered, the entrepreneurs. And it's a very, from my side, before you speak, it's a very good initiative by the association. To make sure all your members are seen, not in India. I can see people from Saudis are coming,
Yeah.
people from different parts of Qatar and all, they are coming to visit all this. It's a great initiative. Can you let us know more about Valvex 2026? I know it has a history because 2024 was the first edition. So what people can expect coming to this trade show? More about the show, can you talk?
Basically, the design of the trade show is a triangular contest, we say.
Okay.
In the sense, one end is a manufacturer,
Okay.
other end is a supplier,
Okay.
and yet another end is a customer.
Correct.
They are all connected here.
Okay.
It is a cascade business.
Okay.
I need you, you need me.
Correct.
And both need for a customer.
Correct.
It is like that we are connected here.
Correct.
Everybody is interconnected. They are all customers to each other.
Oh.
That is a concept here.
Okay.
And with that concept, anybody wants to make a wall, they can come here.
Okay.
There is such an ecosystem is developed here. Tomorrow he can make the wall.
Correct.
Just connect with him and make a wall without having an infrastructure.
Correct.
That's how is the ecosystem we have brought here.
Correct.
Okay, and what people coming here expect is, one is the project people who are executing in the project.
Correct.
They get all the sources here.
Okay.
Those who are in the maintenance, all the tough lines, they are maintaining the lines, repairing the lines, or all overhauling and all such things, they get a connection here.
Correct.
Everybody they get.
Correct.
Those who are in the project, now erection, EPC, and purchase department, they all come here, they can get the sources.
Correct.
And every kind of source, walls, pumps, actuator, hydraulics, pneumatic, everything is there in this.
Correct.
That is the beauty. What expect people is, everything they can expect, they can get it here in this.
Correct. So I can say it's a one-stop shop where people can come, look at the solution. There is a 3-day conference happening with a B2B You have also arranged B2B meetings. People can have, they can have discussions, and they can look for solutions. Lastly, before we end, sir, you yourself are an entrepreneur. Can you let us know more about your company, what you do, and all?
Oh, yeah. We are manufacturing actuators.
Okay.
One actuator is a device which operates the valve.
Okay.
They can see the products are displayed here. One is a linear actuator, another is a rotary actuator, Scotch hook, rotary Scotch hook we say. This is a new product which we have developed. Can you please see?
Yes, yes, please.
Electro-hydraulic actuator. This is a new product which we have developed. Here it is in this, the hydraulic part is there and electric part is there. It operates through hydraulic, and with the electric power, with the hydraulic power source, it operates. This is a new product we have launched.
Okay.
This is hydroelectric, this is a Scotch hook for a rotary valve. Valves are operated only two types. One is linear, another is rotary. Only two types.
Okay.
We have both. That is a linear, this rotary, this is hydroelectric. These are pneumatic, we export to America.
Okay.
Yeah, this is the product we are exporting to America. And every month we have been selling. But maybe because of the Trump effect, we are holding. They told it to hold for some time.
Correct.
And now they are releasing now. Again, they are releasing all the clearing the supply. And that is a product again, hydraulic. And mining application we supply.
Oh.
These special ones, special actuators were supplying for mining application. All mining. But Australian mining is the majority of our valves are in Australia. All mining. Now looking at that, all European people had come to us.
Correct. So I can say make in India, made for the world. Thank you, Shivananda Awati ji, and we wish you a great success for 2026. And like one message, like you said, I want to tell on your behalf that Valvx is now a global event. People from the world are coming, and you will be seeing this event going bigger and bigger day by day. And I myself look forward to attend the next edition, bigger and better. We wish a great success to your association, and looking forward to work with you in future. A great day, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Thank you very much.
You.
Yeah.